Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Excel for investment underwriting templates, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Microsoft Excel for investment underwriting templates, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in office.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your Microsoft account email and click Next. Next, you will need to enter your password. Type in your password and click Sign In. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps necessary. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Look for the Excel icon among the available applications. Click on the Excel icon to open the application. The Excel dashboard will now appear on your screen. To create or access investment underwriting templates, click on New or Open. If creating a new template, browse the available template, navigate to the location where your template is stored on your device. Select the file and click Open. Your investment underwriting template will now load in Excel. You can start editing or customizing the template as needed. Remember to save your changes periodically by clicking on the Save icon or using the shortcut Ctrl+S. When finished, close Excel or navigate back to your Microsoft 365 homepage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.